Hello guys, welcome back to our PHP tutorial. In this tutorial we'll learn operation in PHP. And the first we'll echo 1 plus 1 1 plus 1. This is symbol 1 plus 1 minus 5 minus 5 minus 3. We can create a long operation 5 plus 2 divided by 2. We'll get at the final we'll get a result. Okay, we don't use this. This is a bad syntax. In PHP or any programming language, if you want to creating operation, you should using variables to can re-add the value to your variables. I will declare variable num1 equal 5 and declare another variable num2 equal 3 and declare another variable result. This variable is equal 0. I will start num1 plus num2. No, this not current is equals this variables. We have give this variable the value of number 1 plus number 2, 5 plus 3. Let's at the first this value not echo now, not print on the screen. Do you know? Because we didn't use echo function. Echo, we must echo result. Reload, this gives us 8 result. 5 plus 3 equals 8. We can use divide num1 divide num2 5 divide 3, say result. This is a float value. We can use another, we can use subtract. We can use subtract. Okay, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. We can use multiply. 50. This operation in PHP. We can use another syntax echo minus my age equal 18. Oh, not my age. My birthday years. My birth. My birth year. Echo your age is This for counting my age from my birthday years. Wording, yes, this is very important. A non-numeric value on line 5, because we use a string value with a numeric value. We can use value setter val. No. Only add this here. My age equal this. My age is 18, but I'm not 18. I'm not 19. I'm 18.8 months. So this two basic operation in PHP. Okay, I would like to understand this tutorial. Please like and share and subscribe.